test drive the 2019 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, premium wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.